yeah, and we wonder why there's so many fucking truck accidents here. Watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this. Oh my God. Are you alright?
I'm alright. What did happen?
The Coke truck skipped a right.